Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out this really beautiful product from the brand Girlactik, and it's the Rose Oil Petal Gloss that I got in my November 2021 Boxycharm Premium Box. So if you have not seen that unboxing video yet, I'll have that linked in the description down below. But this retails for $20, which I find very expensive, but it's really cool. And when I first saw this, I was like, wow, that is so unique. The packaging seems unique. It has real flower petals in it, but I was just looking this up online, and there is literally the exact same thing from Ulta Beauty in the Ulta Beauty brand. The same packaging, it has flowers in it. The only difference is that the Ulta version is clear, whereas this one has that pink tone to it, and the Ulta version cost $10. So I was like, whoa, that is interesting. They're probably made from the same company. I don't know. I just found that very interesting. But when I first unboxed this, I was like, wow, this is such a unique take on a lip gloss. But besides all that, I am still really excited to try it out. But I think $20 is expensive, especially when you can find what appears to be the same product for $10. But it has nourishing ingredients in it, which I love, and my dry chapped lips love as well. It has argan oil, raspberry seed oil, vitamin E, and jojoba oil. It's vegan, cruelty-free. It's also paraben-free and gluten-free. And it's supposed to moisturize the lips and repair your lips. So that's what I really want in my lip products, especially these days when my lips are so incredibly dry. So first off, I really want to see what this smells like. Oh, it definitely has that floral smell to it, but it's more of a natural, realistic floral smell. Not like a perfume floral smell, if that makes sense. So it smells really nice. Also, sorry, you can probably hear Dexter barking right outside the door right now. Yeah, it kind of smells a little bit like baby powder as well. So it's a nice soft fragrance. And the applicator, like an angled, rounded tip doe foot. Actually, you know what's a pain about this packaging? It's round at the bottom, so I can't like leave it standing up. I feel like I have to hold it. Okay, not loving that. So let's hope I love it on my lips. It's funny, I was like, oh, it's a nice soft fragrance, but now that I have it like on my lips right under my nose, the fragrance, it's not like extremely overwhelmingly potent, but it's a little much for me just because it's not my favorite smell. Like, it's not my favorite fragrance for a lip product, and to have it so prevalent, I'm not really loving. So not really loving the packaging, not really loving the scent. As far as on my actual lips, I do really love how it looks. I love the shine. I love that it did moisturize my lips completely. It also has like smoothed out the lines in my lips. So it's a very enhancing lip gloss, which is what I really look for. I want it to smooth out my lips, completely hydrate. And then when it has that shine and it also has kind of smoothed out my lips, it kind of gives the illusion of plumped lips, which is what I really want. It's got a little bit of stickiness to it as far as glosses go, but that personally doesn't really bother me. So I'm glad to see that it actually is a beautiful formula on the lips, aside from a few other factors that I'm not crazy about. $20 I think is overpriced for just a classic lip gloss, because there are some very inexpensive lip glosses that do this exact same thing. But this is not bad. It's pretty on the lips, and therefore I'm fine with this. Fine to continue wearing it, fine to have received it in my Boxycharm, but not a product, like I said, I'm gonna say you have to go out and spend $20 on this, but if you got it in your box and you're looking for a nice hydrating lip gloss, I think this is a good product to use. And of course, I would love to hear your thoughts on it if you have tried it out. Also, if you've tried out that Ulta version, let me know how that is. I am so tempted to do a comparison video. Let me know if that's something you would be interested in, or if you have compared the two, let me know. Are they the same product? Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.